You see me? I don't look with people. But I'm going to talk my mind tonight. And that's why I'm stay far from no phone. Okay? You see some of the girl on eyes. So let me talk from now. You see you big tough foot girl.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is the very first time to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get that alert. So people, may I have to say, Spice has been doing very great for a while now, in not warring with nobody or answering back nobody when them say nothing bad about her. You see me? But this video, when we showing the little clip of a while ago, I don't know how Spice got ready when she ready for cuss off somebody, you know. Spice more no normal. So you can just imagine the things them where Spice talk up in that video here. Listen me people, me have the video and me gonna make you see it. But you see, before we get to that video then, I want to show you what Spice go on with your little son birthday, Nicholas. You don't know right now Spice is in the UK, see? And I do some big things on some big international TV. You know, I do some interviews on some UK TV station and things, see? But Spice did not leave before making sure that the necessary things was done and put in place so that Nicholas get what he get for his birthday and enjoy his birthday just the same. Because Spice was on video chat with him. But hold on now, let me show you how that all work out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nicholas. Happy birthday, baby. You know, mommy love you, mommy love you, mommy love you. Anyway, you know, of course, I'm sorry I'm not there on your birthday, but you're gonna be with me for the rest of your life. Yes, you stuck with me. But not because I'm not there, don't mean I don't got some surprises for you. So here's your first two surprises. You're going to go inside the house. When you go inside the house, search the area where you watches TV the most. You're going to look for my favorite color. And when you find my favorite color, you're going to find your first surprise. When you find your first surprise right where my favorite color is, you're going to look for something similar to that, and that's where your next surprise is going to be. So, search for my favorite color, and then look for the color gray. I love you, Nicholas. That's your first two surprises for the day. Happy birthday, baby. That's the clue.
All right. So that's the first one. Watch what it is. What you thinking it?
Not sure.
Use the knife.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Sweet of coming in this big box. Alright. And then she said look for something similar to it, and it's gray. So that would be...
Oh, far you are, oh, far you are, oh, near you are, oh, near you are, you found the gift, you found the gift. What do you think that is?
I have an idea, you know.
What?
A real good one. You want to make a bet on it, JJ? You want to make a better meat? So I tell you, make a better meat.
What it is?
I think it's a love top.
You think it's a tablet?
I think it's a little bit.
You're welcome, baby. Like it?
Yes.
Okay, make sure you put that on top with this very expensive one, okay?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. Love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
Now we already know what the naysayers are going to say. Oh, that cannot compare to actually being there in person as a mother with him for his birthday. Una go shut up. See? Just go shut up. Spice, big up yourself because you always do a good job as a mother. You understand what I say? Moving right along from Spice, let's take a spin right here for a little bit. People, me no know. What go on with social media? Una get tired of this whole every minute somebody a come out on social media with a bunch of foolishness. We don't get mackerel. Alright, we accept that on there. Then you have a next, you have one sweetie we come in and candy. Alright, we kinda accept that one day. Now, all of a sudden, you have one next one come we call herself Bully Beef. And she's not getting accepted too well. Me not go tell no lie, people. People not accept her too well. But Bully Beef come and talk up a bunch of things which to me just don't make no sense. But then now, you have a next one where come out and say she is the original. You know what? Watch for yourself and listen.
Hello everybody, hello. A pleasant good day to you all. Hope you alright. Yeah man. Hope everybody well and happy. When we come to talk about this big bugger lime, say she name Bully Beef. This big bugger lime, say she name Bully Beef. Girl, no label no depend you. No label no depend you. You're not name Grace or you're not name Cuss. See the right Bully Beef, the right calm beef this. Yeah. Girl, you come thief me swag boy, your name Blood Clot Bully Beef. You no name no Bully Beef. You must look like some 10-pound flour. Yeah. You look like some 10-pound flour. But them go cook for breakfast and them can't knead it up properly. Them just drop it in the pot wrap. Eh? Which Bully Beef? You can't look like Bully Beef. Eh? Girl, see Bully Beef, yeah? You can't look like this. Eh? Look for this. Girl, look for this. Look for this, girl. Look for this. You can't look like this. Eh? You can talk about your name Bully Beef. Eh? Which part of your name Grace or Cuss? You can't thief with swag. You're not ready yet. And again, you see, if you did go on with the name and leave people alone, yeah, you'd have probably name the spoiled Bully Beef. You see me I say? You don't name Bully Beef. You name Bugger Lime. As from now, you name Bugger Lime. Yeah, you know them big Bugger Lime there? Eh? And that your name as from today. Bugger Lime. I want 10-pound flour. Boy, your name Bully Beef. Girl, change your name there. Eh? You need to change your name there. You need to change your name because the name doesn't fit you. Or if you don't want the Bugger Lime, or if you don't want the bag of flour, tissue. Girl. Boy, your name Blood Clot Bully Beef. Bugger Lime. Change the name there. Here? See the right original corned beef here. See the right Bully Beef here. See it ya? See it ya? See the right Bully Beef here. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Show me your key, girl. Show me your key. Show me your key if you up me up. Show me your key. Me have my key. Me have my key. Cause me have the original corned beef. Me have the original Bully Beef. Girl, back up. Girl, another thing, I want you to answer me. Cause me here go in a blood clot beef. Yeah, me say which one are we going to be the real original corned beef.
So this is what me talk about. What is what me talk about, people? Anyway, moving away from that, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of Spice addressing this woman here. Who don't want to see it? See it here.
You see me? I don't look with people. But me have to talk my mind tonight. And that's why I'm stay far from no founder. Because you see some of the girl on is. So let me talk from now. You see you big tough foot girl, alligator albatross looking crocodile skin girl, you big tough foot dry foot. You when you you see how you still can watch the video without sound? You know well what do I near my call? Why? You don't love mix up bad way now? You know well what hear a oof near my call? But doesn't make a video to tell you no? Have a good night.
Me not gonna lie. When they get catch though, me can't lie. Me did get catch too, cause me not lie. Me did watch the video and say, hold on now. Who this Spice a chat about? You know, cause Spice come out. After I ran to that girl here. Who that girl a Spice a chat about? And then when we hear Spice and that message, I know me get catch in the lot. Yo, who don't lie, you know. Comment in the comment section and let me know if you get catch or get fool or get tricked, you know. You see it? No shame night. Watch out, man. Comment in the comment section. Talk to me. Answer the comment, we answer. You see, once in the comment, something makes sense. I always answer. See, watch out, one. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. This has been Unstoppable TV, and I'm out. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.